welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing, where myself and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything. So, it's first thing in the morning, we're still in PJs, but I have a lot of content to get through this weekend, so we're going to just dive right in. This is going to be the last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that we're going to get. Hi. It's a box. So first off the bat, I have 2 of these in with it, which I'm not really sure what they are. Yeah. With a bag.
Okay.
So this is a Lush Escape candle. And in the second one is a Lush Escape candle. Now, I didn't order these, so I have no idea if they were just giving stuff away at this point. I'm not really sure. Does it smell good?
Okay.
Okay. There you go. I'm not really sure what's going on, but I definitely didn't order those. I did order some of the products off the points that I had accumulated over time, but these were not them, and they have assured me at Ipsy that those are still coming, but next month. So we're gonna dive right into our Glam Bag Plus. Now, note that I have something, product or food or something stuck to it. No idea why. Okay, so first I'm going to pull out this palette. Okay, now, yeah, so this one's a little bit disappointing because I actually just got this in my BoxyCharm Premium this month. And I'm not sure what everyone's thinking. I mean, I did choose this for Ipsy not knowing that I was getting it in my... No. Not knowing that I got it. You're evil little bugger. Oh, you just want the bag? Okay. Wow. There you go. So I'm just gonna... This is the one I got from BoxyCharm. It is the same once you open the pink packaging. It is this brown color. If you watch my video, you know that he got into it and rubbed it all over my couch, so it doesn't look the prettiest, but I still have it. So I'm not going to open up this one because, I mean, I'm going to give it away, put it in a giveaway, give it to family or friends, whatever. You were chatty. So that is our first item, which is a little bit disappointing. I know I chose it, so I can't really be mad at that, but I didn't realize that Boxy and Ipsy were going to put the same thing in their boxes on the same month. Like, I've had repeat stuff from both of them, but never on the same month. It's crazy. But anyways, my other choice item was this Farrah 18-hour liquid liner. It's in black velvet. I mean, it's probably just gonna be normal black eyeliner. And there you go. Just a little felt tip. You guys got a candle?
No.
No? What is it then? What is it? Move this so Katie can see. Can you say hi, Kimmy?
Hi.
Hi, Duncan. So that's our item number 2.
2.
Yeah, 2.
2.
And now item number 3.
3.
is going to be Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. I have it in the shade dark brown because obviously that's what I need. And this is what it's going to look like. So I'm really excited about that. I always like brow options because my brows don't really cooperate ever. So we have that one. So that's our item number 3. Our item number 4 is Ofra Cosmetics. It is a liquid lipstick in the shade Pasadena. Now, if you watched my Ofra mystery box, this was actually in it. So again, I'm not going to open it and I'm going to put it in a giveaway. I mean, when we get enough subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on our site. So stay tuned for that. Always like, subscribe, hit your notification bell so you can get any other videos we're going to be putting up. And then once I get to a certain amount, I'm just going to start doing giveaways. So then you get free stuff. So why not? So next we have a little blush. It's a Misha Beauty. I'm pretty sure I added this one on. You like it?
Okay.
Is it pretty?
Okay.
Is it pink? So this is what it's going to look like. You know, you destroy everything, mister. Look at that evil little smirk. So that is our item number, I think, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, number. Oh, that was number 5. So I added this on, and I still have 2 more. So I must have added something else on, and I don't remember. Chances are I added on the brow stuff because I tend to do that kind of thing. Yeah. So next we have Wander Beauty's Island Hop Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Wow, is that a candle? Okay, so we're gonna call this item number 5.
Okay.
Can you say 5?
Okay.
No? 5.
No.
No? Okay. Thanks for coming out though. So this is what it's gonna look like. It does have like a bronzer and a highlighter and some other shades. You can always use them on your eyes.
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
I love this one. I don't.
You want this one?
Okay.
Can you hold in your hand? Can you show the camera? Ooh, that's the bronzer and highlight. You want this one?
No. Okay.
Okay. The blush is nice. I mean, it's a tad darker. I tend to like, you know, bright pinks because I just melts into my skin better. But I mean, let's try it. I tried so much since starting these box unveils. So then the last item is a professional tight and toned pore refining toner foam. Now, I don't tend to use a lot of skincare because I do have a regimen I have to do to get rid of the rosacea that I got when I was pregnant with this one. Not so much this one. This one.
Yeah.
She did me in. So this is what it's going to look like. It's cute packaging. It is from Benefit Cosmetics, which I love. It's 22 milliliters or 0.75 fluid ounces. So that is all for our last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's so sad. I'm one of the few that's not super excited about them joining because we used to get some months 6 different bags and now we're going to be down to 3. And that sucks. I always like when things show up and I have different options. And I mean, it's just sad to me. But we all knew it was coming. Anyways, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Oh, bye, guys.